Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and today I want to share with you a quick video on how to do the flaps of your envelopes. I got a question this week about how to do this section, and so I definitely wanted to make a quick video because I don't think I ever actually have show you that part, and I want to make sure you know that it's super easy. The first thing to know is that I try to use paper or a design series paper out of the same one that I did my car. So in this case I'm using the Trimming the Town design series paper, and I think that this one will go really nice, don't you think? I mean, this one has all the people skating, this one has the scene with the houses, so definitely I think that this will go really nice. So like I mentioned, now this is for the outside, and Stampin' Up! Just in this catalog released a another bundle that has for the insides, and so definitely I don't have it yet. It's actually on my order, so as soon as I get this one I'll definitely make another video for you to know how to do the inserts of the envelopes if you want to get something like this type. So I'll definitely send or film another video with those, but for today I just want to show a really quick and easy one for the flaps, because I think that that would embellish your card. So like for instance, it will go like so, and then you have your card and it will look really nice. So let's get it started. So the first thing to know is that I have cut a piece that is 2 1/4 by 6 of the design series paper, and again I could go also with that one, although I feel like this one looks a lot nicer with this one because of the little houses. So the one thing you have to do is just cut your paper, and again, if you're having a smaller envelope or your flap is smaller, just go with the wider section. Like in this case, you can see it's 2 1/4 will cover the whole thing, so I go just slightly out of the envelope. So in this case, this one is more like 2 1/8. I went 1/8 out so that I can cut out that section. And the same thing here. I got the measurement from here. This one is like 5 3/4. So I went with the 6 so I can ensure that I cover the whole thing. So once I have that, which again is 2 1/4 by 6, you can see it here. I'm gonna go ahead and add adhesive on this section. Where is the? Here we go. And I'm just going to go ahead and add the my adhesive directly to the flap. And then I'm going to bring, and actually I'm going to bring a little bit more. I don't think I cover this section. I just want to make sure I cover the whole thing here. And then I'm going to bring this one like right here, as you can see. Make sure the whole thing is covered. And then honestly, the next thing is just as easy as following, as you can see here. I'm just cutting that excess. Following the pattern from my envelope. There we go. And here you have it. So see how nice it looks. And this is how I would mail this card. So there you have it, really quick and easy. And like I said, I'm gonna film another video as soon as I have the new liners. That way you can see also how to get it with this ones. This one I think is going to be really fun because it has a little bit of edges. So I think that will also be really nice to do. So anyway, so see how nice it looks, and it looks like a matching envelope. This just looks very professional in my eyes. And then you just would address your envelope, put it in, and then mail it. So anyway, so thank you so much. Hope you have enjoyed. And again, you can see how easy it is. I cannot wait to see what you make. Hopefully you show me how you are lining up your envelopes as well. I would love to see it. And make sure you join my mailing list. I'll put it on the description of this video, where I share more videos with you and cards inspiration every Monday. And also you'll get 5 card tutorials when you join the list. So anyway, so thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.